Hello, we are students from Group A 62B ECG563 Traffic Engineering. Our selected location is the road in front of Indian Square, UiTM Shah Alam. This road has a downhill slope, a curve and a bus stop. From our observation, vehicles tend to travel faster on the downhill section. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to identify road safety problems related to vehicle speed.
This section shows the uphill and downhill segments of the road under both nighttime and daytime conditions. At night, reduced visibility along the downhill section may encourage higher vehicle speeds, particularly along the curve alignment. The uphill section is affected by limited visibility and roadside parking, which reduces the effective lane width and disrupts traffic flow. During daytime conditions, the downhill gradient continues to promote higher operating speeds, while parked vehicles uphill increase interaction with opposing traffic. These conditions contribute to increased traffic conflicts and potential safety risks at this location.
Several road safety issues were identified at this location. The road section going uphill only has one lane. Parked vehicles occupy this uphill lane, forcing vehicles traveling uphill to move into the downhill lane. Due to the slope and curve, drivers have limited visibility, increasing the risk of conflict and accidents.
This video highlights a pedestrian safety issue observed at the study location. Although a sign prohibiting road crossing is provided, many students will still observe crossing the road directly in front of Indian Square. A designated zebra crossing is available at this location. However, it is situated some distance away from the main pedestrian movement path. As a result, pedestrians tend to choose the shortest and most convenient route rather than walking to the provided crossing facility. This behavior creates frequent interactions between pedestrians and vehicles, particularly vehicles traveling downhill at higher speeds. The risk is further increased due to the road gradient and curvature, which may reduce driver reaction time. During peak periods, when pedestrian activity and traffic volume are both high, the potential for conflicts and accidents become more significant. Therefore, pedestrian safety remains a critical concern at this road segment.
To investigate the speeding issue, we conduct a spot speed study using stopwatch and laser gun. The apparatus used includes a stopwatch to record travel time, a measured road distance between 2 points, and a data recording sheet to note the observation. The radar gun is used to determine vehicle speed. It will be targeted at the middle of the car body to get the reading the speed of the moving vehicle. These tools are suitable for measuring spot speed under real traffic conditions.
This study was carried out by making a fixed distance on the road. When the vehicle passed the start point, the time taken to reach the end point was recorded by using a stopwatch. Safety precaution was taken throughout the experiment. Observer stood at the roadside and no equipment was placed on the carry wedge. For the radar gun is pointed to the center of the vehicle body to get the speed of the moving vehicle. Speed will record for an hour or until 100 valid samples were obtained and entered into the data form.
Speed was calculated using distance divided by time. From the collected data, several vehicles were observed traveling at relatively high speed, especially downhill. This confirms that speed is a contributing factor towards safety risk at this location. Conclusion: spot speed study is suitable to assess safety at this road segment. Possible improvements include speed control, measures, warning signs, and parking management.
Based on the identified safety issues, several important measures are proposed. Speed control measures and advanced warning signs are recommended to reduce vehicle speeds along the downhill section. Improved parking management is also required to prevent roadside parking that reduces lane width along the uphill section. In addition, providing pedestrian crossing facilities closer to the main pedestrian movement area may help reduce unsafe crossing behavior.